Let me show you how we can hide a secret file inside an audio file with the help of a steganography tool called DeepSound. DeepSound is a steganography tool which we can use to hide secret files inside audio files. So you can get this tool from GitHub. For example, let me show you how to get this. I'm going to head towards my browser and I'm going to search DeepSound. So when I search DeepSound, it gave us bunch of results. Out of all these results, we'll go with the first one where we have the result from GitHub. And you can see the title, it is JPinSoft DeepSound. So let me go with this link. So if I just scroll down a bit, I'll be able to see an option. You can see download DeepSound and install DeepSound application. Just download this onto your Windows machine and install this on your Windows machine because it is a Windows-based application. In my case, I have this tool downloaded. So let me show you how to use it. For example, let me launch the tool. So this is how the tool looks like. So before we use it, let me show you the audio file and the secret file. So this is a normal audio file, the one that I highlighted now. So inside this audio file, I want to hide this secret file. If I open this secret file, inside this file, we have a simple content. You can see, hi, this is a secret file. So let's see how we can hide this secret file inside this audio file with the help of DeepSound. Okay. So yeah, let me launch this DeepSound. There we go. I'll go with open carrier files and I'll select desktop. So this is the audio file that I want to use. So let me click on it and let me go with open. So this audio file is now imported onto DeepSound and you can see it shows the free space available inside this audio file. So currently it is 0.3 MB because the output audio file quality is set to normal. Okay. If I go with output audio file quality to high, we may get less space. You can see, right? If I go with low, we'll get more space. For now, I'll go with normal. Then to add our secret file, I'll take advantage of this add secret files option. So let me just click on this. In our case, we have the file on desktop. So this is the file. Let me select it and let me go with open. Now our file secret.txt is imported onto this tool. If I want to protect this with a password, I can go with encode secret files. And here I can go with encrypt secret files, and then we can set a password. For example, let me set a password. Then I'll go with encode secret files. Okay. Now you can see here, the output file is now saved inside documents location. So if we take a look at the complete path, it is C users Joker documents, and the file is audio.wav. Inside this audio file, we have this secret file hidden. Okay. So let me just close everything. And now let me show you that audio file which is there inside my documents location. Okay. So this one, okay. Inside this file, we have that secret file. Let's say somehow I got to know that this particular file is having some kind of secret file hidden. Okay. I want to extract this secret file using this audio file, right? So that can be done with the help of this DeepSound again. Let me show you how we can extract secret files using DeepSound. I'm gonna launch this application again, and then I'll go with the same option, which is open carrier files. This time our audio file is under documents. So let me go with this documents, and then I'll select this audio, and then we'll go with open. There we go. The moment I select it, it is asking for password. You remember earlier while hiding the secret file, we configured a password. So that password should be provided here. Only then we'll be able to extract that secret file. So let me provide the password since I'm the one who configured it. Done. You can see we have the secret file, which is secret.txt. We're not yet done with the extraction. If I want to extract it, I have to go with extract secret files. So let me go with extract secret files. There we go. The file got extracted onto this location, user Joker documents. Okay. Now let me show you this extracted file, which is under my documents. So here, okay, this is the one. Let me just double click on it, and there we go. You can see the secret file. So this is how we can hide secret files inside audio files with the help of DeepSound. Okay.